Good morning, students. I am Kamal Nath and I welcome you in my class of English. Student, I remember that I had explained you the beginning part, that means the first part of the story, Vet in the Forest, in the first video that I had sent you in the last week. And you should have seen the video, you should have enjoyed and learned, I am sure. In this video, this is the first video of this week, and in this first video I am going to explain you the second part of the story, and that is the rescue of the injured elephant. In this part we shall learn how the injured elephant was rescued by the medical team in the forest. This is also an interesting part, and whole story is no doubt very interesting and you must have enjoyed. One thing that I would like to share you, that this is not any fictional story. It is non-fiction, means it is a real story that has happened. I have already here gone through this, and so I am assuring you that this is an here interesting story and a true story written by, that is, Dhriti Kant Lahiri Chaudhary. So let us proceed towards the topics that we have to cover today. Student, this part of the video covers review of the previous event. I will no doubt recall and I will remind you in the beginning what happened in the story, and then I would explain some of the new words that is here in the next part of the story. Then I will continue start the story, the rest part of the story that is left, and then I will tell you who went in the forest and why, who helped them and how they helped them, and how they managed to separate the injured elephant. All this I am going to discuss in this video. Please, you all listen carefully and you will learn. Next you see, that is explanation of difficult words. Here the words that is follows next in the pages you will find difficult words. I have explained you. So you will write down these words in your copy. You will learn them because you know how important they are for us. Every time I explain you. So please you see these words. Word winced, here you can see W-I-N-C-E-D, winced. That means quick and slight movement of body to show pain. When there is pain in any part of our body, and when we are walking, suppose your one leg is here injured in any way, and you are really walking in a very slow way and showing pain in one side, that is that movement is called wince. So it is past tense of wince, winced. Then is abscess, that is a pus-filled, swollen and infected area on the skin. That is a pus-filled, swollen and infected area on the skin. Next is long-acting. Long-acting is a air referred for medicine that effect of medicine for a long time. Some medicine is given in the body so that it can affect for a long time. Antibiotic, that is a medicine which kills bacteria and cures infections. Many of you have already heard antibiotic, that is medicine given to either human beings, animals, which kills bacteria and cures infections. Revived, brought back to normal state. When any human and suppose animals become unconscious during the treatment, and after that the medicine given to revive it so that it can come back into consciousness in the normal state. Then is antidotes. What is antidotes? A substance that takes away the effect of a drug. Already I told you, drug is given, medicine is given so that animal or human being can be made unconscious while treatment, and after that another medicine that is given is called antidote, so that it can just kill the effect of that medicine, and that brings the just human beings or animal into consciousness, whereof lose effect slowly until it disappears. Commotion, that means great noise. When there is great noise due to any human beings or any other machinery or noise, that is here called commotion. Parched, that is dry. Parched means dry. So let us see now here next part, what is to study in next part. Here in the further part of the story we shall learn controlling of injured elephant. As I have shared in the beginning only, I told you, actually the story starts when information comes to the wildlife wing of West Bengal that there was a young elephant injured in a herd. Then the medical team was called, and that medical team visited the forest. But before that, they had to rest in a camp there near the village, and the villagers helped the medical team. In the medical team, there were 3 people I had already introduced. One was S.C. Day, who was Chief Wildlife Warden of the state. Another person was Subrat Chaudhary, who was the officer specializing in tranquilizing animals. And the third one was the author, the narrator himself. So they all just set off for the forest. And when they reached in the village that was just at the edge of the forest, they sought the help and cooperation from the villagers, just because they had no idea where the herd of the elephants were, and so it was necessary for them to know about the herd of the elephants so that they could separate the injured elephant from the herd and they could treat. It was very challenging task, but with the help of the villagers, they managed to reach the forest, and one of the villagers helped them because a young boy told that he had seen the herd and he used to feed the injured elephant. So in this way, that boy and the other people of the village helped the team. They all reached in the forest. Reaching in the forest, they found the herd, and when they found the herd from the distance, now the difficult task was first to separate the injured elephant from the herd. So this time again, they requested the villagers, the enthusiastic people, those who were willing to help the team, and the villagers helped them. They asked the villagers to make a noise and chase the herd so that when the rest of the elephants would run away, the injured elephant will be lagged behind. And so in that period only they could manage to tranquilize the elephant and treat them. So in this way, the villagers started making noise and the herd started running. When they started running, they continued chasing, making great noise, bursting crackers. Different way they made the noise so that the herd of the elephant were frightened and they started running. After some time, they managed to separate the injured elephant, and when the injured elephant were left alone, then the team hurried and started preparing the syringe so that they could send that syringe through the dart gun into the body of the elephant, that injured elephant, and then only they could make the elephant unconscious. They did so, they managed so. So the Subrat Chaudhary, as I already told you, Subrat Chaudhary was specialized in just tranquilizing animals. He prepared the syringe of medicine, drug, that was to be just passed in the body of the injured elephant, and it was set in the dart gun. You can see a person just shooting the elephant with the dart gun, and in the next picture you can see the dart gun just sunk in the body of the elephant, and that made the elephant unconscious, fainted. So they managed, and after that it so happened that they all 3 members team ran to the injured elephant and they started treating. So first of all, they washed the pus. They first washed the injured part of the elephant, that was in the front leg, and let us see that one there will be here for you to see here how they did so. So you can see here that team managed to do so. They washed the injured part and they all put the ointment, necessary medicines. They also injected here antibiotic in their body, which could really affect for a long time, and after that they bandaged the part of the leg which they just really cured. After doing so, they all now had to watch when it was coming back into consciousness, when the elephant was going to revive. So just they waited, but the elephant was not coming in the just really normal position. So they asked the villagers to bring some bucket of water so that they could pour on the body of the elephant, and so the just all villagers helped them. After pouring water on the body of the injured elephant, the elephant came into consciousness. They all no doubt ran away from there. It stood up, and then they just were watching what was going to happen to the elephant, but the elephant seemed to got relieved, and then it started just going back to the herd where the herd was, and at last the injured elephant joined the herd, its herd. In this way, the medical team who had gone to the forest for the purpose, they got success in their mission. And so this story is no doubt very interesting one, how these people here, members of medical team, went to the forest. They arrived and they managed to separate the injured elephant, because injured elephant was always surrounded by the other members, the team here members, and that's why it was not possible to treat it. So they managed it and they got success. So this was what is the story, and no doubt I will explain you in detail here in the class online, and as much part I have explained you, you must have received, you must have just realized and understood. So thank you very much. Take care all of you. We shall again just meet in the next video. Thank you.